Hi everyone, my name is Varun Pillai and I head Business Development, Partnerships and Expansion Strategy at Yulu. Yulu is India's largest shared electric mobility platform in metropolitan cities. We have successfully addressed first and last mile mobility gaps in Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi NCR and Hyderabad. However, we find that these gaps also exist in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities where mobility inherently means ICE-based vehicles, which are less sustainable, less affordable and hence less inclusive for the masses. As these cities evolve in terms of infrastructure, household incomes and technology adoption, smarter mobility choices and options will be an important enabler for the citizens to realize their aspirations. We strongly believe that the best people to address this gap in smart, sustainable and cost-effective mobility are entrepreneurs based in those cities, the Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities of course, and with the backing and support of Yulu. And this is especially because we have built an end-to-end tech-powered mobility platform backed by AI and ML, purpose-built hardware, and a proven operations playbook. We at Yulu also pride ourselves in our superior data science capabilities and our deep partnerships with Yuma Energy's battery as a service solution. These allow us to essentially create profitable plug-and-play solutions which can be easily extended across to partners in the goods and people mobility space in Tier 1 and Tier 2 markets. So less than a year ago, Yulu began to collaborate closely with such local entrepreneurs who were brought on board as Yulu Business Partners or YBPs like we call them. With the benefit of Yulu's platform innovations and learnings, these partners are easily able to launch profitable ventures across these cities. And we're proud to say that we already have 6 such partners across Tier 1, Tier 2 markets. So how does a Yulu entrepreneur launch his profitable e-mobility venture across these smaller cities? Here is a 5-step template that we follow. Step 1, choosing the right market. Yulu's outreach into Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities underlies its belief in the Bharat growth story and in New India's need for next-gen sustainable mobility solutions. However, selecting the right market is extremely critical and we have got this down to a science. With operational expertise of enabling more than 160 million green deliveries across India and having forged deep partnerships with enterprises like Swiggy, Zomato, Zepto, Blinkit, BigBasket, Yulu is able to gauge each market's key characteristics such as the market size, the total addressable market, serviceable available market, the demand pockets in each of these markets, their customer profiles and so on. And based on these analysis, Yulu selects the right markets where it can scale its next-gen mobility solutions. Step 2, finding the right partner. Next, we try and understand the specific capabilities and characteristics a business partner must have. Some of the key things that a partner must possess is an inherent passion for mobility, even if he or she doesn't have that expertise or experience, a good risk appetite to run this kind of a business with a lot of grit and the ability to really run an operations heavy business. And the most important but the most underrated is the ability to farm strong local connections and administrative support with the long-term vision and alignment on the organization's goals. Additionally, the Yulu business partner must have a solid understanding of his or her home market, the gaps in the market and the potential opportunities that they can cash in on. It's very important to understand consumers' aspirations, their lifestyles and their digital habits, future opportunities if any. They should be able to cash in on them and understand them early. The partner should also be able to build support among local stakeholders such as the citizenry, traffic police department, auto and bike taxi operators in order to scale this venture. Step 3, structuring win-win deals. When embarking on a new venture which carries its own level of risk, it's important to create win-win deals with your partners. Therefore, Yulu focuses on enabling its business partners to run sustainable and profitable businesses from day one. We advise partners on maintaining minimal operational costs and capital expenditure by designing a very lean operation system similar to what we draw from our business. At the same time, we help partners scale their demand in the city and grow their revenues by working closely with enterprise partners within their cities. Step 4, putting in place strong knowledge transfer SOPs and business continuity support systems. So robust standard operating procedures are the foundation of any successful business and e-mobility is no different. In order to sort of maintain a unified brand experience, we leverage our internal learning and development team's expertise to train the partners team on industry best practices and also help them adhere to Yulu's SOPs and brand guidelines. This also helps ensure that all key business metrics are aligned for a profitable bottom line. This also includes providing quality after-sales support such as spare parts and servicing, setting up a robust supply chain process and continuous training and upgradation for the partners' manpower, Also implementing best practices for repairs and maintenance. The entire ecosystem has to have a unified brand experience for the end customer. Step 5. Creating post-launch growth strategies. Yulu helps business partners accelerate user acquisition and retention via a host of interventions such as optimal pricing strategies, centralized marketing campaigns and CRM support, customized kilometers-based plans for end users, detailed analytics and dashboard support, as well as remote customer support for escalations. We also help generate awareness for users about new offers and how joining India's lowest cost and most predictable EV platform adds value to their lives. In the quest to create a sustainable and standardized experience with a profitable bottom line, Yulu and business partners rigorously monitor and improve upon KPIs on a daily basis. And some of these key KPIs are revenue per bike, total bikes on road versus bikes in the city, percentage of faulty bikes in the fleet utilization percentages itself. So all of these metrics are very important for a mobility business. These, coupled with detailed cluster level demand and supply planning, ensures that Yulu is able to develop a roadmap along with the partner to deploy additional bikes and scale each of its Yulu business partner markets to its optimum potential. Well, that was the last point. If you are looking to launch a game-changing business in your city, I hope this video was very useful for you. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts. Do leave your comments below. Thank you.